In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Photoshop. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your image in Photoshop. If it loads as a background layer with a little padlock icon next to it, that means it's locked. Go to the Layers panel and click the padlock to unlock it. Unlocking is important because it lets Photoshop apply edits like masks without restrictions. If you don't see a padlock, you're already good to go. Next, we want access to the Properties panel, because that's where the quick background removal lives. If it's not already visible, go to the Window menu at the top and choose Properties. This opens a panel that offers handy quick actions for common tasks. With your layer selected, look in the Properties panel for quick actions and click Remove Background. Photoshop will analyze your image, detect the main subject, and automatically create a layer mask that hides the background. You'll see a mask thumbnail appear next to your layer's image thumbnail in the Layers panel. The checkerboard pattern in the canvas indicates transparency, meaning the background is now removed. A quick note about what just happened. Photoshop didn't delete anything. It hid the background using a non-destructive mask. That's great news, because you can fine-tune the result without damaging the original pixels. If an edge looks a bit rough or a small detail was missed, you can refine it at any time. Select the mask thumbnail to work with it. In the Properties panel, you'll find mask settings that can help soften or tighten edges. For instance, adjusting feather can gently smooth a harsh cutout, while tweaking density can temporarily reduce the mask's strength to check what's being hidden. This is especially helpful around hair, fur, or semi-transparent objects like veils and glass. If you need to inspect your cutout closely, zoom in and move around the edges, paying attention to areas with similar colors to the background. The mask makes it easy to correct subtle halos or missed spots without starting over. Remember, you're editing the mask, not the image, so you can always backtrack. At this point, you have a clean, transparent background that's ready to use. You can place this subject onto a new backdrop, build a composite, or keep refining the mask for pixel-perfect results. That's all it takes. Open your image, unlock the layer, open the Properties panel, click Remove Background, and let the layer mask do the heavy lifting while keeping everything fully reversible.